Python is crazy. Even if it's slow, it's still crazy. Let's make a game in this crazy language. My first framework came to my mind is Turtle. It's a cool framework it'll be so important. After a little bit of code, we've got a screen of Hello World. I jumped into Canva and drew the crowd of people with a yellow triangle. Now let's get back to coding. With more code, the background have the same picture. Now let's continue. I added a player. I added the best movement in the world. And I fixed some bugs. I draw the title and called it "Where is my brother?" So this is the last check. Let's play the game. Where is my brother? Press enter to start. Now the game is about a yellow turtle that is looking for its brother in a crowd. Let's start. Okay. So enter and A or D to turn around, and enter to move forward. There's already the turtle. Pretty simple. Hope you have a nice day. Also, let's celebrate because this is my first devlog. Let's go. Bye guys.